In this video, I will show you how to create a demo account on TradingView. So the first step is to simply go to tradingview.com and then simply click on Get Started in the top right corner. Now the next step is to click on Sign Up here where it says €0, and then you're gonna have to simply choose the method that you want to use to create your account. So if you want, you can either use your Google account, Facebook, Apple, or you can simply enter the email address. I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna copy my email address and then I'm gonna create a password. So after you create the password, simply click on I'm not a robot and click on create account. Now, as you can see, so let me go back. So after you create your account, so I'm gonna use my other account to sign up, but you should be okay. So I'm gonna choose this one here. So as you can see, after you create your account, it's gonna look something similar to this. So you don't have to pick any plans, but if you want, you can do that, but it's not necessarily. So simply go to search, and then you're gonna have to simply choose what would you like to trade basically. So as you can see, you have cryptocurrencies, you have Forex, you have funds, bonds, and a lot of options, but I'm gonna choose NVIDIA. So simply hover your mouse over NVIDIA and then simply click on launch chart. Now, in order to use the demo version of your account, basically this is called paper trading. So as you can see, if you want to trade real money, you're gonna have to basically connect to a broker, and as you can see here, you're gonna have to choose any of these, but for this you're gonna have to create an account and deposit money. But as you can see here, the first one is the paper trading one. So simply click on that, and now basically you can make fake trades. So as you can see, let's say I want to buy or I want to sell NVIDIA, so I can simply do that. So I can select the price limit, I can enter the stop loss and everything, and then you can simply click on buy, as you can see. So as you can see, order placed. So I bought one NVIDIA stock, and as you can see here, you should see here the profit and loss and everything. As you can see, you have the order here, and now you're gonna have to wait until the market opens, but overall that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.